Okay, welcome. And what we're going to talk about today is are the rules for exponents. This is very important for algebra and for polynomials. Okay, so today we're going to start talking about polynomials, and we're going to start by using, reviewing the rules of exponents. And you have to know these rules of exponents. Okay, if you don't know or understand the rules of exponents, you're going to make mistakes later on. So let's focus on these now and get ready, because it'll make your life easier later on. Okay, so rules of exponents. So these are the 4 rules. There are others, but we'll cover those later. But these are the main rules of exponents. So the product rule. Product rule says that if I take a to the m, again, oh, by the way, a and b, so this is true for all real numbers a and b, and for positive integers m and n. So we're assuming that the exponents are positive integers and the bases are real. Okay, so now if we take a to the m power and multiply that by a to the n power, that's the same or equal to if we take a and add the exponents and raise a to the sum of those exponents. Okay? Now, the power rule, number 1, the first power rule says if I'm taking a base raised to an exponent and I'm raising that to another exponent, so I have a power raised to a power, then this rule says I multiply the exponents. So that's going to be the same as a to the m times n power. Okay? Now, what does the next one say? The next power rule, number 2, says, what if I have 2 bases? What if I have a times b and I'm raising the whole thing to the power of m? Well, what this power rule is saying is I can go ahead and distribute the exponent to both of the bases. So that would mean that I can write it like this. And I would get the same answer. Okay? And the third final rule is basically saying the same thing for quotients. So if I have the quotient of 2 bases, right, the quotient of 2 numbers, I can distribute the m to both the numerator and the denominator as such. Okay? And of course, b can't be equal to 0, but these are going to be equal. Okay? And so these are the rules of exponents that you should know right away in dealing with polynomials. Okay? And dealing with college algebra going forward. Okay? That's it. Have a great day.